Hey, health enthusiasts! Let's talk about something super spicy and incredibly beneficial: ginger. If you haven't already made ginger a staple in your daily routine, you're missing out on a powerhouse of health benefits. First up, ginger is fantastic for digestion. It's packed with compounds that help your gut break down food more efficiently and can ease bloating and gas. Feeling a little under the weather? Ginger's got your back. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help boost your immune system and keep those pesky colds at bay. You know how muscle soreness can be a total buzzkill after a workout? Well, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, making it an excellent remedy for sore muscles. Just pop some ginger tea or incorporate it into your post-workout smoothie and you're good to go. And hey, if you're struggling with high blood sugar levels, ginger can help regulate that too. Studies suggest it improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels, but wait, there's more. Ginger has also been linked to lowering cholesterol levels, which is crucial for heart health. Plus, it's got antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and may even improve brain function. So, how do you get more ginger in your life? Easy. You can grate it into your morning oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, or sip on some refreshing ginger tea. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start small and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. All right, folks, that's a wrap on why ginger should be your daily go-to. Make it a part of your routine and thank me later. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and stay spicy.